Hi everyone, my name is Shamir. My experience with research goes back several years. I have a master's degree in administration of justice with a concentration in criminal behavior. During that period of time, I was able to do a lot of research on offenders. Also at my current employer, we currently use surveys and different research from past and previous other facilities and patients' experiences on, the quality care of the patients, what resources work for the patients, and the best way to handle our patients while they are inpatient at a psychiatric facility. I think something that will make learner research fun for me would have to be turn it into a game of some sort. I think making learning fun is a good way, not only to help me, learn and keep me interested, but it helps with remembering the research that I learned and helps me to learn how to apply it to clients in their care. After reviewing the syllabus, I am excited to learn about the qualitative and the quantitative types of research. This course will actually be a refresher for me because I haven't done research in several years, so I'm hoping that I'm able to, pick up quickly on everything and get through the course successfully. I'm also excited to use Excel because I really don't know how to use Excel, so learning how to use it, while it may be a challenge, I think it'll be fun and exciting for me to learn a new technique or tactic to use in my future research. I look forward to meeting you all, and good luck in the course to everyone. Thank you.